Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test. Now, the other day I reviewed the Super Cub, and now we've also, Jason's got the Sport Cub.
No, I've got the Super Cub, you've got the Sport Cub.
Wrong way around. So this one's got ailerons.
And this one's got rudder only.
Yeah, that one's got rudder only.
So it'll be interesting to see the performance difference, right?
Yeah, and actually we're flying indoors, so it's going to be interesting to see how agile they are. Both are about the same price, I think
so, yeah.
But look them up on banggood.com. The links are in the video description. But we're going to try and fly a little bit of formation.
I need expert mode.
Well, I'm going over there. You've got the hands. So I'm actually really impressed with this. Right, this is a relatively small sports hall. And I'm using a combination of rudder and aileron to make the turns, and it's doing it quite easily. How are you getting on, Jason?
It's a little bit trickier with rudder only. We'll swap in a minute and see what we're doing.
Oh yeah, okay, let's do that. And I'm only probably going up to about half throttle.
Yeah, same. Oh, okay, don't worry.
I'm going to take my head off. Right, okay. Should we land and I'll have a go with yours then?
Yeah.
Right, I'm landing. Matt, you get my landing. Nice. Right, so I'm going to have a go with the rudder only.
It's in expert mode. Thank you.
I'm not having a problem.
Now do a right hand circuit. I've parked against the wall. Nice fly. Hit the cameraman.
I don't think it's trimmed. I think that could be the problem. Oh, can you set it together?
Bit of wall riding then.
For this, you have to.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Oh, look, we're on the same circuit.
I'll wait for you to come round.
It won't turn. Crashed
I
into
get
the...
all right with just the rudder, he says.
Crashed into the cameraman.
Oh, I hit a curtain.
I swear he just brought me here to crash into me for the night.
Oh no. Oh no, he's broken it. Look, Matt.
Ooh. Oh.
First victim. Repairable?
Yeah, it just pushes on.
Repairable?
And good to
Oh,
go
it's
again.
alright, yeah.
It just pushes on.
That's a quick fit.
Can we do a catch land?
You want to try? Yes. Easy.
Are you waiting for us to land?
It does push on. You have to push it on.
well done. Nicely done. So there you go. Actually, I was pretty impressed with the rudder one. I think it needed a lot of trimming out.
Yeah, it needed a bit more trim because it definitely turned left more. I think it was just out of
Yeah,
trim.
it did actually turn it left a lot more.
Yeah.
But the aileron version is definitely a lot more agile.
I think if you're going to fly indoors, the aileron version is the one to get, just because you have a bit more of a steep turn.
Yep. So take a pic and look them up. They're on banggood.com. The links are in the video description. But thanks for watching this one. See you next time.
Bye.